Cardiff as the best location from a business point of view is the fact that we got our clients in the US and they're based in Europe and Switzerland. So we're situated right in the middle, 8 hours from New York, 2.5 hours from London, 3 hours from Europe. So for us, Cardiff is ideal. There's great transport links here, they're only getting better. There's a growth in Cardiff. If you look at sort of Wales as a whole, we're built on small startups, not on big corporates. So you get this opportunity to work with a massive variety of different companies, from your coffee makers to your wine makers to your bio companies, to your tech companies, and then to likes of WRU and Admiral, John Lewis, some of the big boys. So there's great opportunity, there's great growth in Cardiff at the moment. People always say, when you see the cranes in Cardiff, Cardiff is on a growth curve. And if you look around the skyline at the moment, all you can see are cranes. And also there's the evening life, or the nightlife in Cardiff. That's always good, great on international days. So that's probably why a lot of people stay. But there are some wonderful opportunities in Cardiff. I think the best thing about living in Cardiff is whether you're into your culture, your history, your creativity, your sport, every weekend there's always something to actually do. I mean, the number of world-class sporting events that we've held in Cardiff is phenomenal. The Millennium Stadium has treated Cardiff very, very well, and that's not forgetting about all the culture, the music, the world music we have here. The yacht racing that we have here. So on land, sea and air, we've got it all covered in Cardiff. The Roald Dahl festival we had here was incredible, absolutely incredible. And even around the peripheral areas of Cardiff, you've got Brecon, which is absolutely stunning. You've got the beaches of Ogmore, Gower. There's 50 miles and 32 beaches in the Gower. And on a sunny day, you could be in California. And I think we've got a lovely pocket of energy in Cardiff with the nightlife and all the new gym bars that have opened up. It's a great city to be in. Very dynamic and lots and lots of energy.